Windows, Linux. These are the operating systems. Now, just I am going to create the project. How to create the project? You go come here Eclipse, open the Eclipse, and click on the create project. Go to Java project. Okay. Give here the project name as like a demo. Project name is demo. Okay. Project name is demo. Just finish that one. Module name not required. Here project is created. Project is created. This is the class. This is the class. If you want, I will create the class. If demo, delete this one, and I will create the new class. How to? This is why I am deleting this. This is already I created. I am going to create a one more class. This is I am demoing you how to create a class. How to create a class. Go to here, class, src. You can give package name anything. That is not a problem. I'll always keep as it is. Package name give as a give the class name test. Okay. If you want by default, if you want to inherit some of the methods, give this one public static void main. See why you have to use public static void main. Public static void main is the entry point to execute the program. Okay. This public static void main is a entry point to execute the program. Okay. Example, I give the some basics. Here I am creating the one function. What is function? Function get data. Function is nothing but a some piece of code we are writing inside the one block. That block is called a function. Here in this function, and what I am doing, I am printing the name. I am printing the name. I am printing the name. Here, this is a one parameter function. That function parameter name is name. Type is string. String means it accepts only string. You know that one names characters. Group of characters is called a string. Here I am trying to print the string. Okay, this name I am printing here. Okay, here okay. This now function is written, and in this function also some piece of code means print statement is written. Now I want to call this function from main. I want to call this function. Okay, how can I call this one? We have to write a public static void main class. This is the entry point to execute our code. Okay, how can I call this one? By using the object. How to create a object? This is the class name. Class name, object name is obj new test. This is how to create a object. This line of code will create a object for test class. Okay. Then by using object, we can call get data function. Okay. Here you have to pass dynamically. You can pass anything. Here I am passing. My name is Ganesh. I am passing. Okay. I am saving this one. Okay. We execute the code. Go here. Correspond class. Run as Java application. See whatever name here passing, it will come here and print here. If you want to see how this flow will occur, I will run in debug mode also. Debug mode means we can check the code line by line. Means what is happening internally. See, come here. See, go here. Run as debug as Java application. See, then controller, how it will work. See, this controller will come here. Okay. Then what you have to do? Line by line. F6 we have to do. F6. Click on F6. Line by line. See, F6. Okay, it's going to next line. Then it's going to here. Means obj.get data. See, here you can inspect that one. Inspect name. Name is what is there. Whatever name you given in 12th line, same name is passing to function. Ganesh is there. See, this is what will come. If you want to come out of this control, press F8. See, this is the way of debugging. Okay. These are basic things. There one more basic thing is one more I will add as a int sum add numbers. This is the one of the function. Okay. Here two parameters. It's accepting int a comma into b. Okay. Into c equal to a plus b. What is doing here? Then return. You observe difference here. Here in this method, there is no any return, but here I written extra because of this is a return type of difference is return type of methods. For get data methods, return type is void. Okay. For add numbers, return type is int. Int means what? Int means it has to we have to return something. We have to return something to class. We have to return something to where this method is being called. Okay, I will explain that one. Void means it's nothing is expecting to return. But other than void, if we give anything, we have to return. Okay, here, okay. Now I'm going to call this one, add numbers. Okay, here we have to pass some values. Okay, then int result. Okay, I will explain this. What results I'm printing here? System dot out dot println result. I'm printing result. See, I'm writing narration also, quotation. This is the way of printing. See what is happening here. See, see when this one, this is the calling. This is calling. This is calling. This is called. This method is called as a called method. This is the calling means from this line up from this line we are calling a this method. Okay, once you call this method what it does, it added two numbers and return the result to here, return the result and assign to result field. Okay, see if we go for debug mode, if we go debug mode then you can get the clarity. Come to F6. This method is first getting called, then come here again. Second method is it's called and print that one. See, the result is 40. See, 30 comma 3. It will come here and add the numbers, and the result is 40. Okay, I think this one is not called. Na? I'll put debug point here. Then you can come to know what is happening. Oh, sorry, I run in a normal mode. I am going to run in debug mode. Okay, see, go to F6, control F6, F6, F6. See, now this method is getting called, and it's came to this piece of code. This piece of code was doing adding the two numbers and assigning the result to C variable. Here, what is A? What A we having? A is having a 10. B is having a 30. These values we are passing from here. Okay. Now, finally, what C is having? A plus B plus A plus B 40. This one will return to here. Will return to here and assign to result variable. Okay. Yes. Yes. This is the basic things. This is the core Java. I will give more explanation on other topics in next session. Thank you.